everybody, it's Jim Tedesco from Millennium County Railroad. We're going to do a little unboxing today. This is a first for me, so bear with me if I don't quite get it right. Anyway, what we're going to be unboxing today is the Proz's HO scale engine shed. This is brand new. It took 3 months for me to get it. I bought it on a pre-order. So, of course, it has to be assembled. So let's open up the box and see what we got. Alrighty, well, I hope this all comes out good on the video because you can't really see what I'm doing. Let's see, looks like we have a Proz's catalog here of all the things that they have. They carry a pretty full line of HO and N-scale stuff. Kind of pricey in some ways, and of course, you know, it's coming out of England, so shipping will kill you. I mean, the shipping on this was $28, which is kind of pricey. Let's see, we don't have a picture of the finished product, unfortunately, unless they have it in here. It's a 2-bay engine shed. See if I can find it in here. Like I said, this is brand new. They had an O-scale one that they did first. That's where I kept crossing my fingers hoping that they would come up with an HO scale, and they did. And I'm sure they have it in here somewhere. Or not. Alright, yeah, here it is. Okay, I don't know if you can see that too well or not. This is the one that I bought. This is what we're looking at right here. It's 2 bays in HO scale, and it has electrically operated doors with a little remote control, and it's fully lit inside. So it's pretty cool actually. Here's your remote here to raise and lower the doors. And this looks like the actual door assembly. It looks like the rest is all, what we got here? Oh, it gives you a little voltage tester. That's pretty cool. And what do we have here? Well, they got some weights if the doors don't go up and down smoothly. That's pretty cool. Looks like we have more pieces for the actual building. Same with this. A lot. It looks like laser cut cardboard or wood, whatever it is. Oh yeah, we have all kinds of things here. More bracketing for the thing. Another big block. Here's our light strips. As I said, the whole interior is lit up when it's finished. And I couldn't tell you what half of this stuff is. I'll have to read the instructions. More wood blocks. This is pretty cool. See if I can get it out of the box. It's got a brick design on it and textured for the exterior walls. And it looks like we've got a decal sheet right here stapled to it. Here's our instruction manual, or one of them. Oh, yeah, see, it covers pretty much everything here. Several pages. I'm not going to do a video building this thing because it would take days probably in my present condition, but I will take some pictures or video as I go through it. Yeah, different, oh, we have some nice texture stick-on. Look like they're stick-ons. Framework. Garage doors. A thing for the windows. And more. A lot of pieces in here, I'll tell you. Not sure what this is. It's like simulated block. Not sure. Well, anyway, oh, we have a piece of glass here too, looks like. Well, not glass, but plastic. Oh yeah, we have several. We have this see-through piece here. And a big one here. Plastic. It's probably going to be a bit of a trick to put it together. Can't wait, no way. So anyway, that's the, this is, like I said, from Proz's. Pretty cool. I'll have to read this stuff later. I'm sure it will be a ton of fun to put together. Not. You know, these things are never easy. There's some setup there. A lot of pieces. A whole lot of pieces. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the Proz's HO scale engine, 2-bay engine shed. Pretty cool if you ask me. Bring that toward me a little bit. Alright, so. Careful, you gotta go away. That's about all I got right now. Like I said, it was just an unboxing. And I will show some video as I start, get maybe midway, and then the finished product. I also ordered, I haven't gotten it yet, but I ordered interior components for it, you know, like a lathe and drill press and metal cutting saw, all kinds of good stuff, so we'll have it. And then I got some figures to put in there, so it's going to be pretty cool when I get it done. And of course, I'll show you when we get it actually on the layout. So you'll have to just stay tuned for that one. And on another note, I was talking to my friend Dave at Crooked River Railroad. I can never remember the whole thing, but you know, hey, I'm getting old. I was telling him I want to come up with a logo for my railroad. And maybe print some t-shirts down the road. So he suggested that I have a contest. Contests are always fun. So if anybody wants to send me an idea for a logo, I remember the name of my railroad is Millennium County Railroad. So something that would reflect that maybe. He suggested MC squared for the part of the logo, which is also cool. So if anybody comes up with some great ideas, let me know, and the one I pick, I will award a prize to. And the prize is, let me dig it out over here. I gotta move the camera around a little bit, so just be patient. I have, and it was left over from my layout, brand new, still in the box, a 90-foot single-track deck girder bridge from Walters. And I will give this away to whoever comes up with the best idea for a logo for my t-shirt. So if you got any good ideas out there, let me have them. All right, so and there's no time limit on that. I'm thinking it'll probably be a month or so before I actually give out the award. I'm not sure which yet. Turbo, stop. Crazy dogs. Anyway, that's it for now. So, like I said, if you have any good ideas for a logo, throw them at me. And if you're the lucky winner, you'll get that girder bridge. Alright guys, thanks. And once again, I'm Jim Tedesco, Millennium County Railroad. And I'll be talking at you soon. Bye.